Hello, everyone. Uh, let's wait another 5 more minutes till others join. At 4:05, we'll be starting with the seminar. Okay. Hello, everyone. It's 4:05. Let's not waste time and let's begin with today's session. I'll be sharing the PDF in the chat box. All of you all can get access to it. I'll be screen sharing as well. Can all of you all download the PDF? I have shared in the chat box. It contains all the questions, notes regarding today's seminar? Yeah, sure. I'll resend it. I send it now. Can you all of y'all check that? Have you all received the PDF in the chat box? Okay. You all can download it. Okay. I'll be screen sharing as well. So that's not an issue there. Okay. So today, how it's gonna work is, y'all may have doubts. Okay, having doubts is not an issue at all. Y'all can stop me by raising your hands. We have a react button, right? Using that, y'all can raise your hands. I'll be stopping my explanation and I'll be asking your doubts. You can either unmute yourself and ask, or else you can drop your doubt in the chat box. Okay? Feel free because this session is for y'all. I don't want y'all to miss out anything. If you have any doubts before the session ends, you'll have to clear it out. Okay, so this is the PDF. Okay, as mentioned before, we will be doing the few basic questions. So these are the questions which we are going to do today. In total, we have 13 topics. Okay, let's start with the first very topic, which is LCM. Okay, so now let's start with LCM. LCM stands for the lowest common multiple. Most of you all would have heard it as lowest common multiple or least common multiple. Either lowest or least is the same thing. So now here, the lowest common multiple, LCM, is the smallest positive integer that is a multiple of two or more given integers. What does that mean here is, okay, now for example, to do the LCM, you will be either given two or more. You can't have one number and told to find the LCM. It will have to be given two integers or either three, four. It can depend. So now, what does this mean here is, now when they are giving two numbers, for example, 4 and 10. I'm giving you two numbers for 4 and 10. In that, they want you to find the first number where both the multiples is same. You know, multiples means a multiplication. And at the moment, it would be, all of you all would know multiple tables, because even in grade 6, 5, you have to know the multiple tables, right? So what does LCM is? The positive integer which is common in between two or more numbers. That's what is known as LCM. Okay, so let's move to the how to find LCM. We have two methods of finding LCM. To do LCM, we use the method prime factorization, which means breaking down each number into its prime factors. Okay, now when it comes to this, what does a prime factors means? Do you all know what is prime factors? Anyone here? Anyone here knows what does a prime factor means? Or either a prime number? Come on, you can unmute yourself and speak.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. What is a prime factor, Shafia?
The factor itself and number 1, which are divisible by 1 and itself.
Yes, that's very good. So prime numbers are numbers which can be divided by 1 and only itself. For example, 2. 2 can be divided by 1 and then 2. 3. It can be divided by 1 and 3. Is 4 a prime number?
No.
No, because 4 can be divided by 1, it can be divided by 2, and then it can be divided by 4. Therefore, 4 is not a prime number. So when we are doing the LCM, we have two methods, a tree diagram and a ladder diagram. Those two methods you can use. In both the methods, you will be using prime factors because LCM can be used only using the prime factors. Okay, let's move on with example 1. Method 1, tree diagram. Okay, this is how a tree diagram works. Okay, this is an example which I have given here. So now what they want you to do here? Okay, so let's look at over here. Did someone call me? So let's start with this tree diagram explanation. Okay, so for example, if I'm giving you a 7 and 5, okay? Oh, not 7 and 5, it's a very short number. Let's go look it for something big. Okay, 12 and 8. Okay, these are the two numbers. I want you to find the LCM of these two numbers. When it comes to tree diagram, you write the 12 separately, 8 separately. Okay. Now say me, what's the first prime number we know?
1. No.
Is 1 a prime number? No. What's the first prime number? Anyone here knows what's the first prime number?
2.
2. Yeah, that's correct. The first prime number is 2. So we are going to divide 12 by 2. What's 12 divided by 2? 6. Okay. First of all, when it comes to this, we check from 2 onwards. 2 onwards, what are the prime numbers we have? We will try to divide the whole number by that. So now again, can you say me, can you divide 6 by 2?
Yes.
Yes. So we divide 6 by 2 again. When we divide 6 by 2, we get the answer as 3. Now, can you divide 3 by 2?
No. No.
No. But we can divide 3 by 3. So now we are going to divide 3 by 3. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. It's always fixed that you have to keep on dividing till you get a 1 over here. Okay? You should divide till you get a 1. Now let's do the 8. Okay. 8. Can 8 be divided by 2?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. What's the number there?
4.
4.
4.
Can 4 be divided by 2?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. What's 4 divided by 2? 2.
2. 2.
Can again 2 be divided by 2?
Yes. Yes.
Which is 1. Right? So now in both the numbers, we have got 1 and 1 till end. Now what's the next step is? Okay. Now we know when we are dividing 12, you take only the numbers which are this side. Okay. So we know it's 2 into 2 into 3. For 8, we take the numbers this side, which is 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Are you clear till this point?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Then let's move on to the next step. After this, you are going to check in 12 and 8 the numbers which are high. What I'm meaning here is, now say, here in 12 you have two twos, right? There are two twos. But in 8, there are three twos. Do you agree?
Yes. Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Take the highest amount, which means now in 2 and 3, which is higher? 3 is higher, right? So you take all the three twos out here, 2 into 2 into 2. And you have 1, 3. You take that also here. Do you get that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Miss.
After getting that, we do the multiplication. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 into 3. So when we are doing this, 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 3 is 24. Which means our LCM is going to be 24. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, this is the one way which we can do using tree diagram. Now when it comes to ladder diagram, let's look at here also. Let's take the same question maybe so that it will be more clearer for you all to find the differences. Okay, so we took the number 8 and 12. So 8, 12. A ladder method will be something like this. Now in here also you have to divide by prime numbers. So now say my first prime number is 2.
2.
So I am dividing both of them by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4 and 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay. Now I can again divide by 2, which will be 2, 3. Okay. Now here one number is 2 and one number is 3. Can you divide both of them by a same number?
No.
No, we can't do that. So what we do, we take the lowest number first. First we will divide the 2 by 2. When we are dividing 2 by 2, it will be 1, 3. After dividing this by 2, we divide this by 3. So it will be 1, 1. You have to do the division till you get 1 and 1. Then for the LCM, you do here is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. In other terms, it's again a 24. Do you understand the difference between a tree diagram and a ladder diagram?
Yes.
All clear?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, we have to. Yes, Rishana, we will be providing the recording. You have to contact the registered, the number which you registered through. They will get you. Okay. Okay, then let's move on to the. Okay, we have exercise number 1 here. There are 5 questions. Okay. The first question will be done by me along with all of you in the screen. Okay. The second question I'll be giving you all 5 to 6 minutes. Okay. 5 to 6 minutes to do the second question. And the other three questions is for your own practice, which you can try it later. If time permits, at the end of the session, we will complete the remaining exercises too. Is it all right?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so first question. Okay, let's do in ladder. If you all say in my perspective, a ladder method is an easy method and it saves time for you all. And it's not confusing. So I would recommend all of you all to follow the ladder method because it's accepted in exams too. Till your higher studies, you can use that method. So let's focus on the ladder method for the first question. Okay, so it's 30 and 24. Now let's look at here. Can we divide 30 and 24 by 2?
Yes. Yes, miss.
Yes, right? We can divide 30 and 24 by 2. What's 30 divided by 2?
15.
15. What's 24 divided by 2? What's 24 divided by 2?
12.
12.
Yes. Now, after dividing this by 2, can you divide both of them by 2? No. Again, we
No.
can't divide 15 by 2. Can we divide both of them by 3?
Yes.
Can we?
Yes,
Others?
miss.
Yes, we can. So 15 divided by 3 is 5 and 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now there is no number where you can divide 5 and 4 together. So now let's first divide this by 2, prime fact number, which will be 5, 2. Again you can divide this by 2, which will be 5, 1, and then you divide it by 5, which will be 1, 1. Do you get this?
Yes, miss.
Others, please speak here.
Yes.
Okay, so for LCM, it's 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. Come on, let's solve this together. Okay, what's 2 into 3?
6.
6. What's 6 into 2?
12.
12.
12. What's 12 into 2?
24.
24.
24. Okay, it's a bit tricky now. What's 24 into 5?
No.
Come on,
120.
try it. 120.
200.
Yes, that's correct. It's 120. So if you want the working for that, yes, I'll show it over here. It's 25, 4 into 5. 4 into 5 is 20. 0 comes here. 2 goes over here. 2 into 5 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Therefore, your answer here is 120. Okay. Now we have did the first question. I hope all of you all would have your paper, a book and a pen with you all.
Yes, miss.
Yes. It's a great thing. So now you all can say just exercise 1. You can copy down the question number 1. Okay. And then do the question number 2 here. After all of you are done, the answer should be sent to me personally in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
It's 4:24 now. I'll be giving you a time till 4:30. The answers should be sent in the chat box. Dear students, please note that those who are retaining till the end of the session will be receiving certificates. I have received some answers. Yeah, that's great. Okay. Few of you have sent me answers. Others? There is 1 more minute. Okay, 1 more answers we have got it. Okay, the time is up. Let's look at the answer for the. Okay, so let's look at the second one's answer. Okay, second question says 8, 12, and 32. We can divide all of them by 2. The answer here will be 4, 6, and 16. Again, we
Miss,
can
can
divide
send
all
the answers in WhatsApp?
no, in the chat box here. In the Zoom chat box.
Okay, Miss.
Now we will divide again by 2. So which will be 2, 3, 8. We can again divide them by 2. which will be 1, 3, 4. Now again we can divide them by 2, which will be 1, 3, 2. Again, we divide it by 2, 1, 3, 3. Then we can divide again by 3, which will be 1, 1, 1. So its LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 into 2 is 32. And 32 into 3 is 96. Your LCM is gonna be 96. Yeah, in my chat box, I got few answers with 36. Those who have got it, it's very great. And others who have missed it, no worries. We have more questions there. You can try that as well. But at the moment, let's move on to the HCF now. Okay. Okay, so the second topic for the day, HCF. Okay, HCF stands for highest common factor. Now, LCM is lowest common multiple, but HCF is highest common factor. The highest common factor is the biggest number that is factor of all the given numbers. Okay, what does a factor mean?
A multiple.
No, factors are different, multiples are different. Factors are numbers which you can divide a specific number by. So now, for example, if I'm taking 10, 5 is a factor of 10 because you can divide 10 by 5. Okay. So here, the first way of finding HCF is prime factorization. This is also like the same thing, okay, which we did now, but a bit different. Let me show you how we work out this. Okay, now for example, assume that I give you a question like 35 and 28. Okay, this is the question I'm giving you. I want you to find the HCF. You can use the ladder method here. 35, 28. Now say me a number which you can divide both of them by.
7.
Can you divide 7? By looking at that, we know because it's a multiplication of 7. If I divide them by 7, 35 divided by 7 is a 5. And 28 divided by 7 is 4. Right? After this, there is no common number between 5 and 4. Do you all agree?
Yes.
There is no common number after 5 for 5 and 4. When it comes to that, you will stop your HCF working from there. You won't do further. That's the ending point of your HCF. Which means your HCF is gonna be 7. Do you get that?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Okay. So another thing to be noted here, most of you all get confused here in this point. Let me clear that as well. It's a kind of a thing which you will be remembering. Now, when it comes to LCM and HCF, in ladder method, it should end in 1 and 1. It's always should end in 1 and 1 in LCM. But in HCF, it should come to a point where you can't divide it further. You can't divide both of the numbers by same number. Now, for example, if 5, 3, you know you can't divide both of them by same number because there is no common number in between them. So that's the difference between LCM and HCF. In LCM, you have to come till 1 and 1. In HCF, it can be in a number where you can't divide both of them. Clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Now, a second way of solving HCF is listing factors. List all the factors, numbers that divide evenly of each number. So now how does that work here is, now for example, if I give you 24 and 16, okay? For 24, what's the factor? You can divide 24 by 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, by 6. Come on, say me the answers. After 6? By what you can divide 24?
By 8,
8,
By 8
12,
12,
and 24.
24.
Now for 16?
1,
1,
2, 2,
yes,
4, 4,
yes,
8,
8, and 16. And 16. Okay, now after finding on this, what's common in both the numbers? 1 and 1 is common, 2 and 2 is common, 4 and 4 is common, and 8 and 8 is common. In out of this 1, 2, 4, 8, which is the highest number?
8.
8. Which
8.
means the HCF of this is gonna be 8. Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Good.
Yes, miss.
So here also I have few questions. So let's look at the first question together. It says 120, 168. Now, can we divide both of them by 2? Can we divide both of them by 2?
Yes.
Yes. What's the number? We can
60
divide
and
them.
60 and
84.
84. Yes, that's correct. Now, again, can we divide them by 2? Yes.
Yes.
Which will be 30
and
and
42.
42.
42. Can you divide them again by 2?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. What is
15,
it?
15 and 11. 21.
21.
21. Again, can we divide it by 2? No. Can we
No.
divide it by 3?
3. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. What's the number there?
5.
5.
5 and 7.
7.
7.
Now, when it comes to 5 and 7, we can't divide both of them by a same number. Then we stop the working from there. That's the ending point. Then what we do? We say 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is
8.
8. 8 into 3 is
24.
24. So our HCF for first question is 24. Okay. So now it's 4:39. I'll give you time till 4:45. I want you to try the second question and you can write down the first question as well. It's exercise 2.
Miss, I'm done.
Aisha, you should do the second question, dear. Others, you have 3 minutes left. Okay, so let's check the answer for the second one. So it's 16, 18. You can divide both of them by 2. When you're dividing them by 2, it will be 8, 9. After this, you can't divide 8 and 9 by the same number. So it's the end of the working. Therefore, your HCF is going to be equals to 2. Those who have got 2 for the answer, it's a great thing. Good job. Okay, let's move on to the third topic. BODMAS. Okay, that's the third topic. BODMAS, I have given you the sign and the full form of the BODMAS. B stands for bracket, O stands for orders, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. A BODMAS is a short form that helps to remember the order of operations in mathematics. Orders represent any square root or indices. If you're grade 7 and above, you know what square root and indices. But whereas if you're in lower grades, you have no idea on square root and indices. Is that you will be learning after grade 7 onwards. So let's look at the diagram here. For brackets, there are 3 types of brackets which I have included over there. For orders, it's either square root or square, which means indices. Then division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Let's move on to the first example given over there. 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 4 to the power 2. Okay, first of all, we know that we will be okay. So now if you are doing local syllabus, until that moment you will be learning that O stands for off, but no. Now the syllabus has changed. O stands for orders, which means under them you will have square roots, you will have squares as well. Square, cube, any power. Powers can be 2, 3, 4, it can go even till 10. But Those things come under O. Is it clear? Okay. So let's look at this. First of all, we have to solve the bracket. So here, when we're taking 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 4 is 7. So it will be 7 to the power 2. Okay, now just recap on the power index thing. If it's 7 to the power 2, it represents it's 7 into 7. Now say me what's 7 into 7? What's 7 into 7?
49.
49. So it will be 1 plus 2 into 49. After power, you have to do multiplication. What's 2 into 49? 2 into 49 is 98.
98.
Therefore, your answer is 99 here. That's the example which is being given over here. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes.
So here we have few exercise under BODMAS. I'll explain the first question. This one. It says 12 plus 8 minus 7 into 4 divided by 2. Okay. According to the BODMAS rule, division comes first. What's 4 divided by 2?
2.
2. After division, we have multiplication. What's 7 into 2?
14.
14. After multiplication, we have addition. 12 plus 8 is
20.
20. Then we have the subtraction. 20 minus 14 is equals to 6. Yes. That's the final answer. Is everyone clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. All of you all do the second question. It's 450. By 4:53, I need the answers. Okay, so time is up. Let's look at the answers. Okay, this is exercise 3. Question number 2's answer is 6. Okay, let's look at. So it says 4 minus 3 plus 2 divided by 2 into 4 minus 7 plus 8. First thing you have to do the division. What's 2 divided by 2? 1. 1 into 4 minus 7 plus 8. After division, it's multiplication. What's 1 into 4?
4.
4. After multiplication, it's addition. Let's do the addition now. It's 4 minus, okay, it's minus 3 plus 4. What's minus 3 plus 4?
7.
Minus 3 plus 4. It's a
1 plus 7.
plus 1.
Sorry,
Minus
plus
3 plus 4 is plus 1. And then minus 7 plus 8 is another 1. So in total, it's 4 plus 1 plus 1, which is 6.
6.
Those who have got the answer 6, it's a great job. You have got that correct. Now let's move on to our fourth topic, solving expressions. In algebra topic, or you might have heard as equations, some might learn it as algebra. In those things, solving expression means, or solving means finding the value of unknown variables. You have solving and simplifying, but in solving you find the unknown letters answer, whereas simplification is a different topic. So example 1, as they have given, solve the question 2x minus 3 is equals to 7. To solve a two-step equation, perform two inverse operations to isolate the variable. Now, what they are trying to say here is, okay, the question is 2x minus 7. Okay, 2x minus 3 is equals to 7. First thing, our first step for solving refers to, we have to make our x the subject. Okay, so to make our x the subject, I have to remove the minus 3 from here. This minus 3 has to be removed. To do that, you bring your minus 3 the other side. with 7. When you bring your numbers before or after equal, the sign changes to its opposite. What's the opposite sign of minus?
Plus.
Plus.
Yes.
Plus. So it will be a plus 3. So your answer will be 2x is equals to 10 because 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. Now, do you all know that if we have something like 2a, this means it's 2 into a. For example, if we have 3y, this means it's 3 into y. You all know that?
Yes, teacher.
So
Yes,
if it's
miss.
2x, it means it's 2 into x. So what's the opposite of multiplication?
Division.
Division.
Division. So now we have to divide 10 by 2. What's 10 divided by 2?
5.
5. So our x value is equals to 5. Do you get that?
Yes,
Yes.
miss.
Okay. The second example, they have given you the example here. Okay, now if I'm taking the second example. It says 2g minus 4 is equals to 6. So first thing you have to bring your 4 this side. That becomes a plus 4. So it's 2y is equals to 10. Your y will be equals to
5.
10 divided by 2. Again, your y is equals to 5. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. We have few questions here. Now, in this question, I'll be doing all the 5 questions with you because all the 5 questions are different types of questions. Okay? So, look at
Okay.
here. The first question, it says y plus 10 is equals to 12. You bring your 10 this side, so it becomes a minus 10. Therefore, your answer will be equals to 2. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, second one, our question says 4 into 2x plus 3 is equals to 68. When you have something like a bracket means it's multiplication. Here, this 4 should be multiplied with 2x. This 4 should be multiplied with 3. Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Now, when we are doing 4 into 2x is 8x. 4 into 3 is 12 is equals to 68. You bring the 12 that side. So that becomes 68 minus 12. So 8x is equals to 56. Your x will be equals to 7. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, miss.
All of you all?
Yes,
Yes.
Okay. The third question, there are more than one x, right?
Yes.
When there are more than one x, you bring all your x's one side, all your numbers one side. So now here, third question. So that will be 4x minus 2x. Why is it minus 2x? Is here it's positive. When I bring it to the other side, it becomes negative. Is equals to 7. This minus 1 becomes plus 1 becomes a minus 1. What's 4x minus 2x?
2x.
2x. What's 7?
2x.
What's 7 minus 1?
Six.
6.
6. Now what will my x be equals to
6.
here?
6. 6.
3. 3.
Yes, 3. Do you all get that?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Yes.
Okay, try the fourth one on your own. I'll give you 2 minutes. Now it's 5, 3, 5, 5. You should be done with the fourth one. Okay, I'll give you 4 minutes. Copy down this first, second, third, and then do the fourth one.
Nope. 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock.
Time is up. Okay, so your answer for the fourth one would be x is equals to 2. Did all of you all get it correct?
Yes.
I'll show you the working. So it will be 2 into 3x, which is 6x, minus 2 is equals to 5x plus 4. Okay. Your answer is x is equals to 6. Okay. So 6x minus 5x is equals to 4 plus 2. So your x is equals to 6. Okay, so let's move on. Our next topic is simplifying expressions. Simplifying expressions means rewriting a mathematical expression in its shortest or most basic form without changing its value. Okay, that's what a simplification means. Now, for example, if we look at the example given by here, the example is 9y plus 6 minus 7y minus 3. When you're simplifying, your values should be same, which means see, here there is 5, here there is y, which means you can add them or do anything them together. But you can't simplify these two numbers because one has a y, one is just an ordinary number. Always you can only simplify if it's possible. So now here we can simplify 9y and 2y. So 9y minus 7y is 2y. 6 minus 3 is 3. So your answer will be 2y plus 3. When it comes to simplification in second example, you have to multiply 4 into x, which becomes 4x. You multiply 4 into 2, which becomes 8. And here you have another 2x. Okay, the question answer here is wrong. So your answer here becomes 6x plus 8. Are you clear? Just change this to 8.
Yes, miss.
Yes, teacher.
Another example here is, it's 4x is 4x without anything. But here we have a operation happening there. 2 into x is 2x. 2 into 5 is 10. Okay. Doubts may arise. Why here it's a plus 10? Because it's minus 2 into minus 5. That's the reason it's a plus 10 here. So 4x minus 2x plus 10 is equals to 3x. You bring all your x's one side. 4x minus 2x is 2x. So I bring all my x's here. 3 minus 2 is 1. And 10 will remain a 10. We have no working over there. That's the final thing you have to do. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, let's look at here. The first question. 3a plus 2b plus 4a plus b. Here we have two unknown letters. Let's combine all the a's together. 3a plus 4a will be
7A.
7a.
9.
2b plus b will be
3. 7B. 3B. 3B.
3b. So this is your final answer. You can't add the 7 and 3 because 7 is A, 3 is B. So you can't add them. Only if the letters are same, you can add them. Okay?
Okay, miss.
So can you do the Third one, I'll give you 2 minutes. Copy down the first one and do the third one. Okay, so let's start with the third one's answer. Before that, I want to let you all know. I hope all of you all have joined with your names, not someone else's name, because at the end of the meeting, according to the name which you have joined, you will be receiving certificates with that name. So make sure you all have joined with your exact name. If you want, you can rename yourself now. But at the end of the session, you will be awarded with a name which you have joined the meeting. Okay, so let's do the third one's answer. Third one is 7p minus 2b minus q plus 3r plus 4r. You can't do anything with p, b, q because you have only one element in all of them. So your answer will be 7p minus 2b minus q plus 7r. Okay, those who have got the answer correct, it's a very good thing. Others, if you have doubts, please
Miss?
stop me and ask. Yes,
I wrote it in a different way, so it's correct, right?
different way means.
I have sent it to you like 7R is there, but it's like in a different order.
You have edited the message over it. Why can't I find
Miss,
it?
I wrote it 7p minus 2b minus q plus 3r plus 4r.
Okay, you can't write 3r plus 4r because that's the question. The question is that the answer is 17 plus minus 2b minus q plus 7r. Okay? Is the doubt clear?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So our next topic is adding fractions. Uh, no, you don't need to, Rahma. Okay. Adding fractions. To add the fractions, your denominator should be always same. How to add the fractions? Do LCM first. Convert all the fractions to equivalent fractions. Add the numerator, simplify if possible. Now, first thing you have to remember is when adding fraction, your denominator should be same. Only if your denominator is same, you can directly move to addition. If it's not same, then you have to make it same. Now here, you will be using your first topic. What was the first topic we did today? Students who was there from the beginning, what's the first topic?
LCM.
LCM.
So here
LCM.
in fractions, LCM will help you. So now here it's 1 plus 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 3 over 5. Now here this is 3 and this is 5. Is both the numbers same?
No.
Miss.
So you have to make it same by doing LCM. Now let's do the LCM for 3, 5. We can divide them by 3, which will be 1, 5. If you divide this by 5, it's 1, 1. What's 3 into 5?
15.
15. Here is going to be 15. See, I have shown you the working. You have to multiply 3 by 5 to get 15. So you multiply your numerator also by 5. So it's 5 over 15. And here you have to multiply 5 by 3. 5 by 3. So you have to multiply 3 also by 3, which is 9 over 15. After getting these two, you can say 5 over 15 plus 9 over 15. What's 9 plus 5?
14.
14. So it will be 14 over 15. That will be your answer. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
If you have doubts, please ask. Okay. The second example, it's 7 over 15 plus 1 over 5. We have to find the LCM of 15 and 5. Now same in 15 and 5, you can divide both of them by 5, which is 3, 1. Again, you can divide them by 3, 1, 1. Therefore, your LCM is going to be 15. Because 5 into 3 is 15, right?
Yes.
Okay. The first fraction is already 15. So do you need to do anything to that?
No.
No. But second fraction, is
No.
it 15?
No.
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 So you have to make that a 15. I have multiplied both my numerator and denominator by 3. So it's 7 over 15 plus 3 over 15, which is 10 over 15. Is it clear?
Yes.
Miss.
And in down,
Yes, Miss.
Miss.
simplified. You have 2 5s in 10, 3 5s in 15. Therefore, your answer is 3 over 15. Is it clear?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
We have few questions here. Okay, I'll do the second one. You all can do the first one, okay? I'll be doing the second one. The second one, it's 3 over 9 plus 1 over 3 plus 3. Okay, now you all say me, if there's a whole number, do we have a denominator?
Yes.
No.
It's
a
yes.
denominator
One
one.
is-
It's
Yes.
a denominator
One.
one.
Yes, we have a denominator, but it will be a 1, which we do not write it. But when it comes to fraction, we have to write that so that we can do the LCM. Okay? So now we will find the LCM of 1, 3 and 9. 1, 3 and 9. We can divide them by 3, which is 1, 1, 3. Again, you can divide them by 3, which is 1, 1, 1. What's 3 into 3?
9.
9.
9.
Do you need to change the first
9.
fraction?
No need.
No need.
No.
Second fraction, do you need to change?
Yes, miss.
Yes. By what should you multiply?
By
3.
Right? So it will be 3 over 9. Then by what should we multiply the third fraction?
9. 3.
9.
9.
So it will be 27 over 9. Now we can add all of them. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 27 is 33. Now you can convert this to a mixed fraction, which will be 3, 6 over 9.
9.
Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
All of you all? No doubts?
Yes, miss.
No.
Okay.
No, miss.
Then do the first, copy down the second question and do the first one. I'll give
Okay,
you all
miss.
4 minutes. Do the first question. Okay, time is up. Let's discuss the first one. So our LCM for 4 and 6 is going to be 12. So 3 over 4 plus 2 over 6. We multiply here this by 3, which will be 9 over 12. And we multiply this by 2, which will be 4 over 12. When you add them, it will be 13 over 12, which will be 1 over 12. Did everyone get that correct?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay. We will be doing subtracting fractions now. Even in subtracting fraction, it's the same working. Do LCM first. Convert all fractions to equivalent fractions. Subtract the numerators. Simplify if possible. So I'll go for the one question. Okay, let's do the first one. It's 2 over 3 minus 8 over 15. What's the LCM of 3 and 15?
3, 15.
15. So now we have to make this 3 a 15. So you multiply by 5. So that will be 10 over 15 minus 8 over 15. So what will be your final answer?
2 over 15.
2 over 15. Can you do the third one? Copy down the first one and do the third one. I'll give you 1 to 1.5 minutes. That's more than enough.
Okay, miss. Miss, I'm done.
Me too, miss.
Me too, miss.
Okay. So second one, third one. Okay. So it's 19 minus 17, which will be 2 over 20. In simplified form, it's 1 over 10. Okay. Those who have got it correct, it's a good thing. Good job. Okay. Now it's 5:36. I'll be giving you
If
a.
we have not simplified it, is it okay?
If they say you have to simplify, then yes. If they didn't mention simplify, then it's no problem. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Okay. So now it's 5:36. I'm giving you all a very small break. Go. You can have your water. You want to go washroom. Complete your works and be back by 5:45. Do not leave the meeting. Stay in the meeting. Exactly at 5:45. I want all of you there.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, miss.
We'll be starting with multiplying fractions once you are back. Students, I hope you are back. It's 5:45.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Okay, those who are back, raise your hands. You can react it.
Miss, what, miss?
Those who are back, raise your hands. You all can raise your hands in the reaction button. Okay. Adila, Ampar, Ashania, Shishma, Minha, Naura. Are you all back? Shuhaila, are you all back? Adila, Amhar. Okay, Hishma is back. She dropped a text. Others, I hope you all are back. Let's continue with multiplying fractions now. We have another 6 more topics to be done. Let's start. Okay, all can raise put your hands down. Okay, I asked, are you all back? Okay.
Yes, miss, I'm back.
Okay.
Yes, miss, I'm back.
Okay. Lower your hands, please. Okay. So let's start. Multiplying fractions. How to multiply the fractions? First, multiply the numerators. Second, multiply the denominators. Simplify if possible. So in multiplying, there's not an issue at all. It's a simple work which you have to do. So now I'm directly going for the questions, okay? So if I'm taking the first question from here, let's look. Now here we can see it's a mixed fraction, right? We have a whole number, we have a fraction. Let's combine them together. Let's make an improper fraction first. 9 into 3 is 27. 27 plus 2 is 29. So it will be 29 over 3 into 2 into 3 is 6. 6
7 over 3.
is 7 over 3. Now we can multiply. It will be 29 into 7 over 3 into 3. What's 29 into 7? Let's work out.
203. It's 203.
Okay, 9 into 7 is 63. 3 comes here, 6 goes over here. 2 into 7 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. So your answer will be
203.
203. So now it will be 203 over 9. Okay, 3 into 3 is 9. In 203, how many 9s do you have?
203.
We can divide it.
7.
In 20, you have 2 9s, which is 18. 2 is remaining. You take the 3 down. Again a 2, which is 18. And 5 is remaining. So it's 22 and 5 over 9. This is what you do. You just multiply your numerators, you just multiply your denominators. Is it clear?
Yes, please.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Then can you do the second one?
Okay,
This
miss.
one's answer. Copy down the first one's answer and do the second one.
Miss, did you ask us to do this? You told to do the second one, right?
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
I'm done, miss.
Same, miss.
Okay. So we'll do the second one here now. So it's 10 into 3 into 3. So numerators get multiplied and denominators get multiplied. So 10 into 3 into 3 is 90. And denominator is 15 into 5 into 7, which is 525. If you can simplify, then it would be great.
I got 30 over 125.
Yeah, so now you can divide both of them by 3. So which will be 30 over
124.
175. Again, you can divide them by 5, which
Yeah.
will be 6 over 35. Did you all get this?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Okay. Then let's move on. Now it comes to dividing fractions. First thing you have to do is keep the first fraction, change the division sign into multiplication, flip the second fraction and multiply the fraction. How does that work? So now, if I'm taking the first question here, okay, it's 9 over 10 divided by 3 over 5. Your first step is to keep your first fraction as same as it is. Do not change that. Second step, use the multiplication sign.
You have to convert divide into multiply.
Now you have to reciprocate.
5 over 3.
Flip the
Miss, is it 5 over 3?
yes, it's 5 over 3. Now you can multiply. It will be 45 over 30, which you can simplify further as 9 over 6, which will become 3 over 2, 1 over 2. Did you all understand?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Then can you all do the second question? And the third one.
Okay, miss. Miss, why didn't the 9 over 10 change?
The first fraction will not change here. It will be the same thing. Only the second fraction will change.
Okay, miss. Thank you. Miss, should we simplify the answer?
Yes, you have to.
Done, miss. Miss, should we do the third one also?
Yes.
Miss, I'm done with the second one and the third one.
Okay.
Me too, miss.
Okay, let's start. The second one, it's 5/35 divided by 7/3. This can be converted as 5/35 into 3/7. We can multiply our numerators. This is 5 into 3, which will be 15. Over 35 into 7, 245. Now you can simplify this further as 3/49. Did you all get that?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Let's do the third one. 5/99 divide by 25/11. That will be 5/99 into 11/25. It can be 55 over 2,475. If you're facing difficulties in multiplying like that, you can simplify. You have 1 5s here, 5 5s here, 9 11s here, 1 11 here. So simply what you can do here is 1/40. Sorry, 1/45. Do you get that? Did you get this as your answer, final answer?
Yes,
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Then our next topic is adding decimals. How to add decimals? First thing, align the decimal points. Second, pad with zeros. Third, add the numbers. Fourth, place the decimal point. Fifth, write the final answer. How does that work here is, now for example, if I'm taking the first question, it's 0.52 plus 0.6 plus 0.05. When you're adding, you should align them in proper place where the decimal points are in the same line. So now for example, if it's 0.52 plus 0.6, it should be written in this way. And the empty space, you have to add a 0. You can't write like this. This is wrong. You can't say 0.6. That's completely wrong. Your decimal points should be in the same line. Here, 0.6 should come here. 0.05 should come here. So now when you're adding, you put a 0 here. 2 plus 5 is 7. 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 comes here and 1 comes here. So your answer will be 1.17. Do you get that?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Before we move on to the second question, I would like to say something. I would like to say something. So many of y'all were asking how to join my theory classes. This is a seminar, right? That's about the theory classes. I'll just show you how you can access to my theory class. So this is my profile, the tutor profile. Here you can see the classes which I conduct along with the grade, subject, and even the fee payment, everything is in this website. You can go through the link. It's webtutor.online. Okay, in that we have all the classes which I conduct. It's a theory classes. It's from grade 4 onwards. You can get access to this link. If you all want the link, you can drop a text to me. I hope you all have my number in that group. Okay, in this we have all the necessary details regarding our theory classes. Okay, so let's get back to the topic again. So I want you to try question number 2, 3, and 4.
Yes.
Miss, only 2, 3, and 4, right?
Yeah.
Nine plus 0, 9 is 9, 10, 11, 12.
Miss, I'm
Done,
done.
miss. Done too, miss.
Miss, done.
Okay, I'll give the answers at 6:10. Okay, so I'll give you the answers now. Second question,
Okay,
it's
miss.
0.44.
1.129.
Miss, is it
Okay.
1.129?
1.129.
Okay, wait. I'll give you all the answers.
Okay, miss.
There is no problem.
Okay. Your first one answer will be second one will be 1.129. Your third one will be 11.149. And your fourth one will be 14407.
07.
Okay. Those who have got wrong, you all can ask me the answers. I'll show you the working. Does anyone
Miss, how
know?
did the third one become 11? Isn't it supposed to be 10?
Okay, so third one it's 0.356 plus 1.548 plus 9.245. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. So 9 comes here, 1 goes over here. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. And 13 plus 1 is 14. So 4 comes here, 1 goes over here. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 comes here and 1 goes over here. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. So it's 11.149.
Miss, I haven't added that one, miss. Sorry, my mistake.
Okay. Okay. So next thing is subtracting the decimals. This is also the same thing. Align the decimal points, add zeros if necessary, subtract as usual, place the decimal point in the result. So now if I'm taking example from here, 25.36 minus 3.56. Your decimal point should be in the same line. 6 minus 6 is 0. You can't minus 5 from 3. So you take 1 from here. This becomes 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. Here there's only 4 remaining. 4 minus 3 is 1. Since there is no number here, it's a 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. So your answer will be 21.8. Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Can you start with second, third, fourth?
Okay, miss.
Sure, miss.
Done, miss. With all 3 questions.
Okay. Let's give others few minutes.
Okay, miss.
Miss, I'm also done.
Okay, let's I'll give you the answers.
Okay, miss.
The first
Okay,
one answer is here. Second one, it's 12.99 minus 6.54. Your answer will be 54.6. 6.45. Was your answer 6.45?
Yes,
Yes.
miss.
Third one,
Yes.
91.546 minus 299.91. 6 minus 0 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. You take 1 from here. So that's 15 minus 9, which is 6. Here there is 0. You take 1 from here. That becomes a 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. Here it's an 8. You take 1 from here. It's 18 minus 9, which is 9. Here there is 2 minus 2, which is 0, which is 91.636. Got it?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Fourth
Yes,
one,
miss.
it's 1320.88 minus 159.66. 8 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. Here you take 1. This becomes 10 minus 9, which is 1. From 3, you take 1 here. It's 11 minus 5, which is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. And 1 minus 0 is 1. Is it 1161.22?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
miss.
Okay. Next thing is multiplying decimals. How to multiply decimals? Ignore the decimals, multiply normally, count decimal place, and place the decimal point. Example. Okay. So now how does this come here is, now for example, if you're taking 111.5 into 15, you just forget about the decimal point. Don't think about the decimal point, okay? So we will take it as 1115 into 15. 5 into 5 is 25. You put the 2 here. 1 into 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 1 into 5 is 5. Here 1 into 5 is 5. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. When you add them, it's 107,725. Okay, after normal multiplication. Then you check in questions, you have only one decimal place, right? There's only one. The numbers after decimal point is only one. So you place the decimal point here. So it's 172.5. So now another question with example. If most of you are confused, I'm taking this one. 15.9 into 2.5. Okay, I'm going to take this as 159 into 25. Let's do that working. What's 9 into 5?
5 is
45.
45.
45.
45. 5 comes here, 4 goes over here. What's 5 into 5?
25.
25 plus 5, 4 is 29. So 9 comes here, 2 goes over here. 1 into 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Now let's multiply with 2. 9 into 2 is 18. 1 comes over here. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 comes over here and 1 goes over here. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So your answer will be 3,975. Okay. After this, now same here, after decimal point, how many numbers do you have? You have 1 9 and 1 5, which means 2 numbers, right? So you place. Yes. Yes.
Miss, after 7, isn't it 8? How, like, 7 plus 1 is 8. No, Miss, you've written it's 9.
Because 9 plus 8 is 17. So 7 is here, 1 comes over here. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9.
Okay, Miss. Sorry.
Okay. So here we know we have two numbers after decimal place. 9 and 5. So in total 2. You place the decimal point before the 2 numbers. Do you get that?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Now can you do the second one?
Only the second one.
Second and third.
Done, miss.
Miss done. Miss, I'm done.
Miss, I'm done too.
Okay, so I give you the answers now. Second one answer will be 975 71.48. If you need the workings, please ask me. Let's say a third one will be 0.027. Okay? Everyone got it correct?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Okay, let's move on to dividing decimals then. This is the last and the final topic for today. How to divide decimals. Your first step would be identify the dividend and the divisor. Convert the divisor to the whole number. Move the decimal point. If you move the decimal point in a dividend, you also should do in divisor. Perform the division. Place the decimal point in the quotient. Check your work.
Miss, I can't hear you.
1 minute. There's a doubt from a student. Okay, so I'll explain the multiplication of decimals again. There's a doubt from a student. Okay, if I'm taking the second question, it's 65.2 into 14.9. I'm going to rewrite this as 652 into 149. Let's do the working. 2 into 9 is 18. So 8 comes here, 1 goes over here. 5 into 9 is 45. 45 plus 1 is 46. So 6 comes here, 4 goes over here. 6 into 9 is 54. 54 plus 4 is 58. Okay. And then you multiply everything with 4. 2 into 4 is 8. 5 into 4 is 20. And 2 goes over here. 6 into 4 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. Now we multiply everything with 1. 2 into 1 is 2. 5 into 1 is 5. 6 into 1 is 6. We add all of them. Here it's 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. 4 comes here and 1 goes over here. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 comes over here. 1 goes over here. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 7 comes over here. 1 goes over here. So 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So it's 97,148. Since you have two decimal points, this 2 and 9 is a decimal point, you place it here over here. So your answer is 971.48. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes, miss.
Now let's move to dividing. Dividing, okay, now for example, if it's 0.4, they say 7.68. Can you see the screen? Into divide by 0.4. Always remember when you are dividing, this number should be a whole number. That makes it an easier way to solve. That should be a whole number, okay? Now to make 4 whole number, I have to move my decimal point from here to here. Do you all agree?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Yes.
When I make one decimal point
Yes.
here, I will make this also here. If I do something to divisor, it will happen dividend as well. So that's
Okay, miss.
76.8 divided by 4. Now let's start the working. We'll put 76.8 inside, 4 out. In 7, how many 4s do you have? In 7, how many 4s do you have? 1. So 1 comes over here. 1 into 4 is 4. 3 is remaining. You take this 6 down. In 36, how many 4s do you have? In 36, how many 4s do you all have?
9. 9.
9.
9.
You take this 8 down. In 8, how many 4s do you have?
2.
2, miss.
So your answer will be 19.2. Do you get that?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
miss.
All clear?
Yes,
ma'am.
miss.
Okay. So let's move to the final exercise. You all can start with the first, second, and third one.
Okay, miss.
That divided by 3. Hey. Oh, Pitimani.
Sure, I'll explain this again. Now I'll explain with the first question here. Oh, no, not the first question. I'll explain with the fifth question, okay?
I'm done.
168.64 divided by 8. Here, since our divisor is without decimal, we can move forward. So it's 168.64 divided by 8. Okay. In 1, you have no 6. So let's move to the 16. In 16, do we have 8? Yes, we have 2 8s. 2 into 8 is 16. So just an 8 is remaining.
714.28, 14.
Okay.
714
You take the 8 down. In 8, you have
into
1 8.
8.
So that's a 0 over there. You take down the 6. In 6, do you have any zeros? Any 8s? No.
Yes.
So you place a 0 over there.
5102.
Then you take the 4 down. In 64, how many 8s do you have?
7,
8.
8.
So your answer will be 21.08. Is it clear?
Yes, miss. Yes.
Yeah. Miss, and I'm done.
Okay. Others, I'll give you 5 more minutes to complete the
Yeah,
first.
yeah, miss. Even I am done.
Okay. Okay, those who are done, I'm resending the PDF again to everyone. I'm resending the PDF to everyone here again. Just go through the PDF and let me know if you have any doubts in any places. And the students who have been retaining till the end of the seminar, As you all know, you will be receiving certificates. Along with them, you have missed few exercise questions, right? In each and every exercise. In that, I'll be sharing you the answers. For that, I'll share you the answers too, okay?
Excuse me, miss. Did you send the PDF?
Yeah, I have, it's loading. I have shared the PDF. Go through the PDF. If you have any doubts, ask now and sort it out.
Yes, I'm done.
Okay.
Okay, miss, I checked it.
Yeah, miss. I don't have any doubts when I checked it.
Same is no doubt.
Safia, drop me a message in my own personal number, sending it. Drop me a message in that, I'll get back to you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's do the first question. So it's 99.6 divided by 3. All of you all say me the answer.
33.2.
Did all of you all get 33.2?
Yes.
Yes.
Second one,
91.1.
3.
It's 91.1. Third one,
51.02.
51.02.
yes, 51.02. Okay. So today we are done with this session. Whatever the topics which I have decided are done. So in today's seminar, we have completed 13 topics. Okay. LCF, HCF, BODMAS, solving and simplifying expressions, adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing fractions, adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing decimals too. So I want you all to go through the PDF. If you have any doubts regarding these topics, you all can ask me now. And I want all of you all to share your feedback regarding the seminar in the chat box, either to everyone or personally to me.
Miss, what should we send?
A feedback, how was the seminar? Did you all understand? Would you like to have more seminars like this? I want a, it would be a great thing that if you send the feedback in the chat box, either to
Miss,
me,
personally to you or in the group?
send it to personally to me in the chat box. In the Zoom meeting itself, you can send.
Okay.
And even go through the PDF. If anything, do let me know.
Miss, I don't have any doubts.
They sent you a feedback, Miss.
Okay, thank you so much everyone for joining today's session. Before you all leave, I'll be sharing the answer PDF for everyone. You all can download it so that you have the answers also
Okay.
with you. And thank you for your feedbacks. It means a lot for me. Hoping in future to meet you all with more seminars. I'll be updating you regarding seminars. So I will be sending my personal number also. Or you can even contact WebTutor from registration. Those who doesn't have my personal number, I am sharing it over here. You all can text me regarding all your inquiries and anything. Hoping to see you all more in future. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Take care.
Walaikum assalam. Bye, miss.
Waalaikumsalam,
Have a
miss.
nice
Thank
day.
you,
Take
miss.
care.
Welcome.
Miss, thank
Walaikum
you for
assalam,
having
teacher.
me.
Thank you so much.
Should I leave?
Yeah, you can.